Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this quick video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the Discord is not opening, not running on your Windows. First of all, you need to open the task manager and see if the Discord is running here. If it is already running, then you may have to just end the task here. Even you can search here Discord, and once you see that, just make a right click on it and end the task. So this is the first step. Now if this is not working, we are going to clear the cache from our system. Press Windows and R key on your keyboard, open the task manager and hit this command, percentage app data percentage, and press OK key. And now once you see that, look for your Discord folder and simply delete it. And once you delete it, now press again Windows and R key together to open the local app data, and again look for the same folder on your system which says a Discord, and then simply delete it. And once you delete it, just try to relaunch the app. If that is still not working, that what you can do is you can open the CMD and run it as admin. Hit yes option when the prompt opens and simply hit this command. This will basically restore your system. This will flush the DNS and now restart your Windows. If that is still not working, that what you can do is you can look for the reinstalling that app, or if you are using the VPN, just disable it once. So this is a video and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.